Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Update Airport Utility and open it. Connect your phone or Mac to the same Wi-Fi network as the base station, or plug into Ethernet for the initial link. Make sure the base station is powered and the LED shows a status. Amber means needs setup, green means configured. Once done, tap or click the device icon that appears in Airport Utility. This is how you begin editing network settings and asserting control over SSID and security. You'll now change the critical settings so clients can join. Select the base station and choose Edit. In the wireless pane, set the network name, SSID, and pick WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Enter a strong passphrase and explain why. Better security prevents casual breaches and keeps devices online reliably. Next, go to the Internet pane to confirm DHCP versus PPPoE and any ISP credentials. Once correct, you're finishing up. Wait for the airport base to apply settings and for the LED to become solid green, then reconnect your devices to the SSID with the passphrase you set. If devices don't see the network, reboot the base station and the client device to clear cache states. This often resolves IP conflicts. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the base, then rerun the same setup steps. This clears corrupted configs and ensures a clean, working Wi-Fi connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.